Hello everyone. We all dream or wish that our children become successful one day, be a champion one day. But for this, just hard work alone is not enough. Just talent alone is not enough. What it requires along with it is a very, very strong, powerful mindset. So let us understand what is exactly happening to our children. Of course, our children know that when they take up something, they should not give up in the middle. Of course, they know that when they sit for studying, they have to be focused and not get distracted. They know it. But still, why aren't they able to implement it? Because they know it from the conscious state of mind. We as parents are all busy giving them commands to that conscious state, like stay focused, stay focused. We tell them 100 times, but still nothing changes. That is like training a cycle which can go only up to the speed of 40 bits. And the one who's taking the decision is the subconscious mind, who is busy processing 20 million bits per second. Where is 40 bits and where is 20 million bits? So when we are busy training the cycle, how can it any day overpower something like a jet? The subconscious is like a jet. So there's no point training the cycle thinking that someday it will overcome the jet. It is impossible. So how do we train our subconscious? Only through few ways. Number one, when there's a deep emotional shock, a sudden emotional thing that happens. Number two, by doing any therapy. Number three, just after you wake up. And number four, just before you sleep. So, what Nidra Champions is focusing on is the fourth option, a perfect timing to address their subconscious. Because when you take children to bed and switch off the lights, you know in next few minutes they're going to sleep. So at that time, all we need to do is play the Nidra Champion episode. So Nidra Champion episodes are curated using the wisdom from our ancestors, wisdom from our Indian spiritual texts on what are the qualities required for a child to have a champion mindset. And that is divided across 12 months over 12 topics. And each topic is divided into 7 episodes for Monday to Friday. So, subconscious needs repetition. So, every Monday of that month, you can listen to the following 3 Mondays as well. So, it will sit deeply into the subconscious as we are focusing on repetition and we are playing it at the right time. And the words that are picked for these audios are taken from the texts and used in the right manner. So, Nidra Champion is choosing the most natural and gentle path right before sleep with not much effort, not much struggle. All we need to do is just click the play button. So, at the one time when the subconscious is wide open, Nidra Champions will do its magic. Thank you.